When you wake up in the morning with a headache, you take a Panadol. How do you know that's traveling exactly straight to your head and solving that issue? We don't. We kind of put that trust in the hands of the pharmaceutical companies that make these drugs. The pharma companies, they have the exact same issue. They need to know exactly where our drug is traveling. My name's Harshad Vadakapura. I'm one of the co-founders of Actimo Labs. We're a next generation CRO where we help pharmaceutical companies by building AI-powered tools to cut down their preclinical process. Pharma companies spend anywhere between 5 to 6 years to try and bring the perfect candidate to the market. It's a very complex process in the pharmaceutical industry where the whole phase is called preclinical testing. And then within preclinical testing is when they want to know exactly where does a drug bind, what side effects does it have in a wet lab scenario. Specifically what we do is two things. We want to understand where a drug travels within our body and how well it binds to that disease as well. We work with pharmaceutical companies to take their proprietary data and then we create a platform around that and then we sell that in-house. So it's an exclusive model that each pharma company has their own version of it. What we're doing is we want to increase the iterations of testing that they do so they can test more candidates. So instead of 5 to 6 years, maybe they only have to spend 1 or 2 years. And with our technology, specifically, we sell 12 months worth of testing down to a matter of minutes. Activate is one of the few programs in Melbourne, in Victoria, that works closely with the Victorian Government. So for us, that's what really stood out, because you look into the networks that they bring in, the people, the experts, the advisors, the companies that they've partnered with. All of these people have specific industry knowledge. So it's not just Activate, it's who they know as well. Working with ANDHealth, we had a mentor that we worked really closely with who had direct experience in the pharmaceutical industry. And what we really learned was, with his help, we were able to position our product a little different to what we had envisioned it as. For us, that experience really, I would say, was the core of our success for closing our first 3 customers.